Take it away, Kathy.
Oh, yeah, Orlando. We're listening to Here to I'll See You Again from Brad Creel and the Real Deal. They're a Portland-based country music group. You might have heard them around town over the years. They've played more than 300 shows together. So glad to have them in studio today. Well, ahead of a show tonight at Mississippi Pizza, a family-oriented show from 6 to 8 happening. And we're going to get a little preview here. You are Brad of Brad Creel, and this is the Real Deal behind us. So introduce the Real Deal for us first.
All right, here's Mike Moore.
Give us a little strumming there, Mike.
Let's hear you, Mike.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. All right. Mike plays a mean guitar, too. This is Bob, the Hawk Hawkins, right here on the cajon.
Oh, the Hawk. Come on. You going to give us something there?
and he'll be playing a full kit at Mississippi Pizza tonight. Yeah. And this is Ben Grosscup on the bass.
Well, I love this. You guys were telling me you kind of all have some East Coast roots, but now make your home in Portland. And you, Brad, I said, is this a full-time gig? You said, oh, no, I'm a therapist on the side. Do you ever use your music in therapy?
You know, I haven't yet, but I plan on doing so. So, yeah.
So the Real Deal, where did you come up with this concept, and what type of music would you play on a regular basis, would you say?
Well, the Real Deal, it just, the name, my last name being Creel, the Real Deal sounded kind of natural, and these guys are the Real Deal, so that was an easy one.
Brad Creel and the Steel would have worked as well, right?
Brad Creel and the Steel Deal, or just the Steel, yeah, that would have worked. And then as far as the genre, I like to call our music Lava Lamp Country.
Lava Lamp Country,
because it's kind of older style country, and we also tend to improvise and play some extended songs. And
you write your own stuff?
Yeah, most of the stuff we play is my own stuff.
And so you have the show tonight at Mississippi Pizza. What else do you have coming up over the summer?
Well, we have a show on the 27th, and that one's at St. Stephen Church. And then we have a show that's July 27th, and then we have a show on August 24th at the Skyline Tavern. So those are our gigs for the summer.
Yeah, some good places to play. What do you want folks to walk out of your show doing? Just snapping the fingers or tapping the foot? Or?
Well, not everyone, but a lot of people walk out of my show and they say, geez, those songs are still in my head.
Oh, that's good. Set them up for a good earworm, they call it, right?
That's right, yeah.
So more info at bradcreel.com, and you are set to picking up the pieces for us,
That's right?
All right, take it away, guys. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you. It's Friday night, and I'm picking up the pieces. I'm picking up the pieces without you. You said you'd be back, and now it's morning, and now it's morning, and my watch says 2. Once you said that you loved me, and you said that you'd be true. Now I'm left here, and I'm picking up the pieces. I'm picking up the pieces without you. Before you left, honey, we was fighting. Yeah, we've been fighting. You said we're through, and you slammed that door, and you went out drinking. Yeah, you went out drinking. Left me here to stew. Once you said that you loved me, and you said that you'd be true. Now I'm left here, and I'm picking up the pieces. I'm picking up the pieces without you. Pick up those pieces, Mike.